Welcome to Gotham Sound and Communications, and today we're going to go over a rundown of the accessories that we offer in our Walkie rental packages. Up first, we've got our most popular, the most requested, the most sought after accessory in our rentals inventory, and that is the surveillance. Now, these surveillance come individually packed, freshly sanitized, and ready to go. The reason that these are so sought after is because of their ability to be extremely discreet. One thing a lot of people like about the surveillance is the fact that you can just leave the walkie at your hip, clip the microphone wherever you want it to be, wherever is easiest for you to access. Some people do it right on the collar of their shirt or on the lapel of a jacket. You can even run it up a sleeve or around back, just so easy access. You can be like, all right, what's going on here? And yeah, the surveillance is widely popular and definitely a staple for a lot of film productions. And another thing that makes it so great, along with the discretion, is the lack of noise bleed. Because of this microphone, you can bring it pretty close to your head and you can talk a lot more quieter than you can, say, with other accessories. And it runs directly into your ear, so you don't have that same kind of noise spill from radio to radio like you would with walkie-talkies without an accessory. So that is the rundown on the surveillance, or as some people call them, the Secret Service style accessory. There are other options as well. This just happens to be the most popular. Up next, we've got another popular one. This is referred to as the hand mic. Some people call it a biscuit. Almost all of these accessories have fun nicknames. But what's great about the hand mic is it has a clip on the back, which makes it really easy to mount to, say, the collar of your shirt, or a pocket if you have one, a lapel. You know, wherever you need it, it's right there. You can plug right into your walkie, keep that at your hip. Don't have to think about it. Don't have to press a button on there. There's a push to talk, just like on the surveillance microphone, right on the hand mic. And this thing's pickup range is a little bit bigger, so you can kind of just lean your head down. You don't necessarily have to put it up to your mouth or whatever, like the surveillance. The one downside that there may be, depending on the production that you're on with the hand mic, is there is that noise spill. They're not as discreet as, say, a surveillance, where the output doesn't go into your ear, it doesn't go into a headset, it goes right out of this speaker on your hand mic. So, you know, you get that same kind of noise spill that you would just from walkies communicating to one another. But these are pretty rugged, they're pretty durable, and they're very popular as well. The next set of accessories we're going to go over are our lightweight headsets. Now, we have two different types of lightweight headsets. We have ones with a push-to-talk and those without. They do look extremely similar. Now, these ones' fun little nickname is like the McDonald's headsets or drive-through headsets. But yeah, they look like the ones that you would see in, you know, the person taking your order at a drive-through. These are great because, similar to the surveillance, you can just plug it in, keep the walkie at your hip. With this one, this is the non-push-to-talk model. You do have to press the button on the walkie in order to talk, but if you're in a position or a role where you're mostly listening, this is great. You can just put the microphone up and out of your face. A lot of people say that this is a more comfortable, you know, headset to wear than the in-ear surveillance. You can kind of get used to wearing this all day. It's very lightweight. And other positives is, again, the lack of noise bleed. This pretty much goes right into your ear. You don't have a ton of noise spill. Not quite as discreet as a surveillance, but still not going to be a lot of reverb or echo from one headset to another. The push-to-talk one is very similar to that as well, where this has the capability of being plugged in right at your hip with the walkie, but the true benefit of this one as opposed to the other lightweight headset is it does have that push-to-talk button right on the main wire of the headset. So you kind of get the best of both worlds with a lightweight headset and a surveillance in one. You can wear a more comfortable, lightweight, off-ear headset And you have a button to press that you can clip wherever most convenient for you. And what's great about this is the microphone's already right there on your mouth, on your face. You don't need to pull it up to your chest from your chest to be heard. These are great. A lot of times you'll see these in live production, backstage kind of work, where you can't really be making a ton of noise, but you also have to communicate to other people. Now, we've been talking a lot about popular accessories, and these three sets are definitely the most common. However, these ones are also available. The next pair is the noise-resistant headsets. Now, these things are not lightweight like the lightweight headsets. These are great if you've ever wanted to be a helicopter pilot or at least pretend to be a helicopter pilot. You can really strap yourself in here. So yeah, these are not very lightweight, not very comfortable, but still an option if you are shooting on maybe, I don't know, an aircraft hangar or, in a helicopter. This is extremely useful. This is the double muff version. We also have a version with only one ear covered. Now this is like a little, not quite evenly balanced on the head, but a lot of people do prefer these heavier, noise-resistant headsets. If you're working at a concert, you need to be able to communicate to the booth or to the truck. These, will negate most of the sound around you. It can be a little disorienting at first, especially if you don't have a radio plugged in and you're just making a video in your office. But these are great headsets, and the clarity is honestly really impressive. These microphones have just a really clean and crisp sound, and they're going directly into other headsets that are very close and noise resistant. I will say that these really do enhance the audio coming in and out of a walkie-talkie. They are also interchangeable with some intercom systems, which can come in handy if you're using. These can really be beneficial if you have additional comms on a production instead of just walkie-talkies. So there you have it. Today we have gone over all of the accessories in the Gotham Rentals inventory. So hopefully now you know a little bit better which accessories you want to bring onto your production with your rental package. Be sure to check us out on the Gotham YouTube channel as well as Facebook to stay posted and up to date with all things Gotham Sound.